Let's find your archived chats in WhatsApp. Now open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android, and let's just go back out here. The first thing you need to do, of course, to find any archived chats is that you need to make sure there are some that are archived. Now on here, you can easily archive a chat by swiping to the left and then tapping on archive. If you wanted to go back and find that, all you need to do is swipe up to the top. You might need to make sure you swipe all the way and tap on archive, and there is that conversation. Now, if you wanted to unarchive it, all you need to do is swipe to the left, and you can choose to unarchive that if you wanted it to be back in the main chat section. Keep in mind, when you do go to archive, you can always go into the settings as well and make sure that keep chats archived is turned on. Or if you wanted to archive all of your chats, you can tap on archive all chats here, and it will move all your chats over to the archive.